bare ends. Say nothing. Oh. Have to use the ending of the gloves, boy. I wish I knew how to get this first time, but I'll get there soon. Oh, it's the first time. I hate when water gets on these chargers, you know, they start moving fucking stupid. Hopefully I ain't got that much water in the fucking camera. Really one. Not fully, but we tried. Not fully, but we tried. Who's that for? Not me! They're coming home for. No way. Could never be me. See? They're driving with no... No fucking headlights. No lights at all. Look at them. Fucking tosser. Boom! 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 Oh, McDonald's is shopping.
Listen, you see me? I ain't gonna sit there and beep you for you to swing your neck round when I try to act like you're bad. Me, I'm just gonna throttle around you straight. If you throttle in, almost stumble, I don't give two shits. Focus on the light, mate.
You see that, man? Just not paying attention, taking long. I'm gonna have to just go around them, man. I ain't got the time to beep and that's all a long time. We're gonna have to go on some twisty roads again. This left, fuck it. Oh, you gotta be so careful in the rain, man. But really, that one, that's the part that everyone don't tell you, man. Oh, that was a good ABS. I love that. That was a good ABS. Every 1T5 moped has a certain way it rides. If you just listen to the driver, it's like you can tell if they're scared, they're in a rush, they're just relaxing. You can just listen to the engine. be aware for it. And guys, that is it for the rainy video. I am soaked like a fucking bizzle. So guys, thanks a lot. That is the end of today's video.